up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm here with Enrique. He decided to grace us his presence with...
What can I say, man? Today is a great day, and I get to spend the day with this guy. Who would not want to be here with this guy, right?
Yeah,
come on, man. Honestly, this is cool. This is a great day.
This is cool. Yeah, no, you guys, Ryobi, right? Let's talk about Ryobi right off the bat. First thing you're going to say, we have the Ryobi field. They're like, Ryobi's awesome. And then we have the guys that say, ooh, Ryobi sucks because it's just inexpensive and cheap, right? Obviously.
I haven't heard that one yet before.
Yeah, what?
I haven't really heard people say that.
Yeah, everybody said bitches about Ryobi.
Everybody.
Everybody. Well, not everybody.
Everybody
but,
watching
you know,
this is
Ryobi's really one of those treasured, valued brands, right? You could get it at the Home Depot, and it really is a good brand for the price, you guys. Don't get the thing in your head where, you know, just because it's inexpensive. I mean, go to Harbor Freight. Their stuff's inexpensive also. That stuff's really cheap. This has actually got a little bit of a premiumness to it, you know? It's built by the same people that make Ryobi, Rigid and Milwaukee. So, what do we got, Eric?
We got a fan, which is a hybrid fan, which is pretty cool. Which hybrid means you can run it off their 18-volt battery platform, which they have the most tools. A lot of tools. This, like Dan was saying, for homeowners or smaller contractors, this stuff's awesome. One thing I like about Ryobi is that they've got so many different things from stuff from.
I got it.
Okay, what's cool about this is it's hybrid, which means you can run it off the battery, and it does come with a cord that you can plug into.
Yeah, I mean, it's not going to blow you out of the room or anything, but it is a decent, nice fan for the amount of air that it moves. One thing I like is the construction quality. I'm really impressed with the construction quality of this, actually.
Yeah, and it's got large range of motion, too. And then you can tighten it on the side if you want to, if you want it at a certain angle. I like that. 3 speeds with an off, obviously. I don't know, wasn't someone telling us about, how it's got those dimples in the fan?
Yeah,
that it makes it quieter or
something.
something?
The air or something.
Yeah, it does something.
So that's pretty cool from Ryobi. That's available at the Home Depot. Next, you guys, we have Cordless Grease Gun, right? They have a bandsaw. They have the orbitive buffers. They have all kinds of stuff. And now they're filling that niche. Sorry, guys. I know.
It's funny. He was in technology for how many years?
Oh, my God. So now we have this cordless grease gun. So what's this going to allow you to do, you guys? 10,000 PSI of pressure. So it's definitely going to put pressure in. It's 7.5 ounces a minute. And we took it to the guys next door. And, I mean, I'll let them speak for themselves. But it was pretty cool. Everything like the big boys have, this has on it. So nice ergonomic grip here and an LED light on the front, which I haven't seen on the other brands. What did you think of it?
No, and it's just nice. I mean, you have grease fittings all over, whether it's inside your car, your tractor, all sorts of different things. You have grease fittings. Like Bodie was saying, it goes
grease fittings.
Grease fittings. It's a pain in the butt to do it by hand all the time, especially when it's cold outside or something like that, and you have something that's automatic does it. Much better.
Yeah, I mean, if you got production, this is the thing you're going to use. 120 bucks.
Yeah, not bad at all.
What else?
And then inflator and deflator, which is next. They have a couple other ones out. This is their newest one out, so it has an inflator on the side. Oh, no, I was just laughing at those guys next door.
Yeah.
So what's nice is it has a brass fitting for your stem. You can set the pressure, and it'll automatically turn off. So as soon as you put this onto your tires, it's going to tell you have 28 pounds. You can set it for 35. Once it's 35, it will go off.
So I can push it and walk away.
Push it and walk away. Good thing about it, it's got like a screen that you can see. Bad thing about it is you pretty much have to be right in front of it. If you have it down and you're looking down on it, it's really hard to see the screen. That's the one downside to this.
It's got all the accessories, blow up all your inner tubes and stuff like that. Basketballs.
Dolls, whatever you want.
Yeah, I guess. Whatever. I like it's pretty light, actually, man.
I like it. Actually, you know what? Now, guys, it's not.
How much?
Gonna be extremely. This one, the inflator's $50.
50 bucks.
So I did all 4 of my tires, and you can see we did a time lapse of a tire next door from 0 to, we put 35 pounds in there. It's not gonna do it super fast, but you know what? It does the job, does what it's supposed to do.
Right, because some of them won't even get them up from 0 all the way up, I've seen.
I feel some of them take remember that Air Hawk thing we did? I mean, that would have taken like 10 years for that thing to...
Yeah, you guys check out Project Farm. I don't know if you watch his videos, but that guy's got awesome videos. He's like the AVE of the tool world. He's like literally, takes things and like runs them, and he's just got the best videos I've ever seen. In fact, just click off now.
Yeah, just go over there. Just don't worry about
No,
the
he's
stuff.
got
Floor
great
dryer.
videos, man.
Yeah,
He does a good job.
He does.
What is this? A floor dryer?
Floor dryer. One cool thing about this is, if like anytime it rains, I have an old house, the basement gets wet. I'm always drying the floor with fans. What I have to do is I have to put one fan down, face it this way, another fan down, face it this way. This will actually shoot it all out. So what it does is it has a fan pointing down, and then it blows the air out. So, and again, this is hybrid also, where it'll run off the 18-volt battery, or you can plug an extension cord into it.
Yeah, so let's say you have a big kitchen, you're always mopping, the kids come running in there right away, you don't want anybody slipping. Boom, put this on the floor, turn it on. It's going to do that area and get it done. How much is that, Eric?
$80.
$80. All these are without...
Yeah, I was going to say, go ahead, without batteries.
Without a
They're all
battery.
bare tools.
The cool thing that we admire, well, I admire Ryobi for, you guys, is being able to stay with these stick packs that they had in the old, remember the, was it? I
Blue
can't
and
remember.
yellow.
Is it blue? Was it blue and yellow? I was thinking orange. But blue and yellow colors, remember those? You probably still have some of those tools around. If you buy yourself a lithium-ion battery, plug it in, you're going to invigorate new life into that. And this is a one huge, big tool brand. Granted, now we have out there Walmart. Walmart's on the scene with their Heart. It's made by the same people, you guys. Exact same people. So, but honestly, Heart is going to be, not Heart, but Ryobi would probably be a better one to get into if you want a lot of tools right now. Granted, let's see where Heart is in 3-4 years. Might be a different story, but right now, Ryobi's dominating.
I think Ryobi might, and I don't know how they do it as an actual number of tools or the actual SKUs. And some SKUs, like maybe a drill might have 3 different SKUs because it has a kit with it. I know they're one of the tops out there, and if you just go to Ryobi Tools and you check the stuff out, they've got so many different things, bandsaws, all these different things that you wouldn't even think about. And that's what I like about them, because you can invest in one battery platform as a homeowner. Maybe I use this twice a year, okay? I'm paying $80 for it to sit on the shelf, but when I need it, I really have it, as opposed to buying one that's maybe from a professional one that's $300-400 and that sits on the shelf. That's what I like about Ryobi. I love the fact that it's at Home Depot. I can just go in there, return it if I have a problem or anything like that. So.
And honestly, we get a lot of tools in here. A lot of stuff's broken sometimes. We don't get a lot of broken Ryobi.
No, and granted, there's certain things Ryobi, I just don't like. There's other things that I absolutely love.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, some things, they hit home run with. Like this new stuff is feeling quality, guys. I feel like I could throw this down some stairs and it's gonna last, I mean, you take some things and it's like, you ever feel that plastic where you're like, ooh, if I even drop it or just bump into it, it's gonna snap? I hate that brittle stuff.
Yeah,
this
like
is
a Ford.
really... I don't know. I don't know why Ford has to get injected into this, you guys.
because they have to.
Whatever.
Because it's the thing. The people that there's, I'm not gonna get into it.
Oh gosh. All right, you guys. Peace out. Let us know what you guys think. Comment below. It's over at the depot. Go check it out. What's your favorite tool from Ryobi? Comment below. Peace out.
What is actually your favorite tool from Ryobi? If you had to pick one.
Probably the Devourer.
Yeah, I actually just using it this morning over here.
Yeah, I love the Devourer, man.
Someone
It's
left
awesome.
a mess.
It's awesome. There's just so many I can't think right now. You put me on the spot, man. So
Did I?
But that was, I think, the Devourer. It's just awesome. And I'm not going to lie, I beat the heck out of that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I throw it in my truck, throw it across, you smash into walls with it, and it still works, man.
No, they are nice, man. It's nice to do.
Yeah, we got 2 of them.
Yeah.
We better have 2 of them.
Well,
because Eric gets all mad
no,
when
there's
stuff's
one
in
right
his
over there.
area, he gives it away to next door.
I do, because I just don't like clutter. I don't like mess, so it's easier to just give it away or just do something.
Yeah, then we need it for reviews. Peace out, you guys.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.